Hello student. Today we will see some examples based on mathematical logic. First example, used only two statements P and Q. The all combination of true and false will be covered within a 4 rows. Okay? Just like P starts with two true values and then two false values, and we will combine the q like one true one false one true one false. Like that, if we arrange, then all combinations of a true with a true, true with a false, false with a true and false with a false will be covered. Okay, we will see first p implies in bracket q implies p. That means we have to cover first Q implies P because this statement enclosed within a bracket. Therefore, we know the implies method. If direction goes from T to F, then it will become false. We will apply this logic like true to false become false, and another combinations will be true, like true to true becomes true, false to true becomes true, also false to false becomes true. Like that implication works. Only hint is like that, true to false becomes false, otherwise true. Okay, and again we have to see p implication q implication p means true to true becomes true, true to false becomes false. Only one value is false, is true implication false becomes false, otherwise f implication true becomes true, f implication true becomes true. Okay, for three statements it will cover with 8 combinations, and we required 8 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the first statement will be arranged as 4 T's, after that 4 F. Second statement Q we will arrange as 2 true, 2 false, again 2 true, again 2 false. Last one, R is a statement present in given equation, therefore 1 true 1 false, 1 true 1 false, like alternative. This combination covers all the combinations of three statements with a triple true, triple false, one of them is true, another one is false. Like that all combinations will be covered in these 8 combinations like p, q and r. Here statement is like this, equivalence is like that p or q and r. First we have to solve q and r because this enclosed in a bracket, therefore we gives the priority to q and r, and we know and is false biased means what, one of the value is false present, then result will be false. We are seeing here q or r, true and true becomes true, true and false, one of false is present, therefore result will be false. Here also false is present, result will be false. Here both are false, therefore result will be false. Here both are true, therefore result will be true. One of false is present between those combinations, false is here, false is present, result will be false. Both are false, therefore result become false. Now we have to check P or this Q and R. We have to See the combination P or Q and R between those columns. Okay, and here OR is operation present. Therefore, we always say OR is true biased. Means what? One of the true is present in the combination, then result gives true value. Here P and this column gives a true. Both are true, therefore it becomes true. See, first and fourth, one of the true is present, therefore value becomes true. Here T and F, one of the true value is present, result will be true. Here also one true is present, therefore value will be true. Here one of the true is present, therefore value will be true. Here both are false, therefore value will be false. Both are false, value will be false. Both are false, value will be false. You see two examples for two statements. If two statements are included, one logical, then it will covers with four combinations, and if there are three statements present in given logical, then it needs 8 combinations. We will observe